But let's. I mean, I want to do all that. I want to get all those things done. Get the quest lines running. We're taking a little bit of a break from everything, and I think, oh my God, what I should do. I hate to do it. I don't know if I should do it or not. Thinking about going and getting Janessa back because it would really help me out. Really help me out a lot. Hi, how you doing?
If I needed something from you, you would know.
Wow.
Nothing. Oh, don't give me that look. Fine, I suppose I can find some. We have something of a vampire problem.
Oh no.
Bodies have been found with blood drained.
Oh jeez.
I know of a den nearby you can wipe out as a precaution.
I'll see what I can do.
I don't expect you to be capable of even that.
Wow. Okay.
Vampires are clever hunters. More clever than you, definitely.
Oh, wait a second. What are we supposed to do? Did we get something for Folk Fire? Or no, we had his letter. I don't think we have to do anything for him.
Courier must have found you.
Yeah. You sent me a message about Wolf Skull Cave.
Yes, old friend. I'm afraid it's not
Wait, didn't we
good
do
news.
this?
When you broke up the binding, Potema escaped. We've encountered some of her minions.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Styrrs says she's still
Holy
in
crap, that was a long
spirit
time
form,
ago.
Or we'd all be dead already.
That was a strange
You've
one.
already done us a service in stopping the binding.
Yeah.
But I need you to go talk to him. To see if Styrrs can tell us what to do next.
Who is Styrrs?
He's Solitude's priest of Archay.
Archay, okay,
He's the
that's
one
good
who
because
figured
there's
out
something
Potema
having to do
was
with
still
Archay.
around. He'll help as much as he can. I wish you well, friend.
Yeah.
Be quick.
Be
I have little
careful.
patience for mundane concerns.
Look, I got things to do here. I'm talking to people. Wolf Queen
Speak
Awakened.
to Styrrs. He can help.
Okay. So that now puts us with Wolf Queen Awakened. You know, we gotta go do that. So let's go take care of these two things. Like I said, it's light and airy, oh so hairy. You know, a couple of episodes we've been doing here with because I don't want to turn in the skeleton key yet. And I want to get my skill level. And you know, the thing is I really don't really care. Because here's the thing. Once I get lock picking up to 100 and everything becomes unbreakable, I'm going to have a shit ton of lockpicks sitting in my inventory that I don't need. And, you know, I could sell them, I guess. I mean, really? Can you sell them? I have 107 right now. That's 214, but I'll never get 214, so I'll probably figure about 100 gold out of it. As long as I keep one. And I always find them. So maybe I'll just take them out of my inventory. But they don't weigh anything. No, that's the thing. They have no weight, so it's not like I'm going to... Ooh, look, this is one of those things. I'll drop. Ooh, Eriker. Oh, that's right, Eriker. He's a shithead. Alright, what are we doing here? Let's get going. Oh, my goodness. Where's our quests at? Why are they not on the board? Wolf Queen Awakened and... So this is... Yeah... This is not kind of a side quest. This is a miscellaneous quest. Alright, hey, Bethesda, if you're listening, I can do a pretty damn good, you know, Dylan Benathor voice. I could be the new Benathor. Do come back. You know, I am an actor, and let's get a campaign going, man. If you want to hear, you know, old Mongo here, voice a character in the next Elder Scrolls game, you know, let's make it happen.
I found the bone. I brought it to you, but still I am refused.
What the? Oh, dude, got his bone. Oh, is it in the? No, it's not in the Hall of the. Yeah, it is in the Hall of the. Ooh, we gonna run out of shit here.
What can I do for you, friend?
Styrrs.
You must be the one Falk spoke so highly of. Welcome.
Hi, it's the same voice as the other guy. The man is buried here. Yeah, blah blah blah.
Yes, I made an appeal to Captain Aldous. He allowed Rogver to have a proper
Nice, good job.
burial. All my life, I practiced.
Okay.
I believe I was put here to protect the.
Okay.
This city has a long history of madness and
Yeah,
murder.
kinda.
The Wolf Queen, Pelagius, the death of High King Tor.
Yep.
My books tell the stories.
Okay.
Have no doubt.
Ah, Potema, former Queen of Solitude, and one of the most dangerous necromancers in recorded history.
Nice.
She was responsible for the Empire's near collapse almost 500 years ago. I believe I have a book about her.
Looked good for her age.
Summoned in spirit form is not raised from the dead. For the moment, the Wolf Queen has retreated to a place. A few days ago, one of her servants busted through a wall into the Temple of Divines. We'll need you to go in. Yes, I had Falk call you back because you were at the summoning. You have a connection to Potema. I can provide you with help for her minions, though. This should... As to Potema herself,
turn undead.
Find what's left of her body, likely a skeleton. Remove it from the catacombs.
It's like Supernatural, man. We're dealing with, you know, wolves and vampires and ghosts. How about it?
A curious... She was always so close. Ironically, if she were alive today, she'd be the only living member of the Septim bloodline. By all rights, she would now be Empress.
Good to know. Excuse me. You were starting to bore me there, Styrrs. Starting to bore me to Styrrs. Defeat Potema. Wow, that didn't take long at all. Oh, because is it in... No, it's not. Where's it at? So let's do this first. Main quest, because that goes towards a trophy. And then we'll figure out the vampire thing afterwards. I'm just doing it to get it off the board, not because I actually want it anywhere, but... Alrighty. We're retreated to a... Retreated to a what? Temple of Divine... Oh, that's right, they busted a hole down. They were clearing out some space, popped a hole through the wall, and oh my! The HVAC leaking everywhere. Ghosts running around. How about that?
Blessings of the 8 divines.
How you doing there, buddy?
How may I help?
Being old's not so bad. Daughter keeps me fed, and my working days are done.
Where's this hole? Oh, down here. Oh, up here, down here. Where the hell are we going? Some of these wind chimes are going off. How you doing?
You look troubled. Feel free
I am
to
troubled.
take a seat or pray at this. Ah, yes. It's the peace tree. The Dominium No matter how much the Stormcloaks may wish it were so.
Alright, yeah, let's go upstairs. I don't know.
May knowledge of your divinity carry us through our daily trials.
And also with you. Nope, okay. How does one get to where we're supposed to be going? Right there.
Blessings of the 8 divines upon
But
you. How may I help?
How do I...
You look troubled. Have you come seeking guidance? The
yeah.
strong and honorable always carry the blessing of the 8. Feel free to take a seat or pray at the shrines. We appreciate worship in all its forms.
Wow, your book club's a little bit shitty. Ah, here we go. My goodness, why could I not find that? Ooh, hi. What's going on there? Alright, yeah, he gave you the key. Okay, now we're moving a little bit better. My goodness. Oh, it's just darkness. Great. Wonderful. Doesn't sound good at all. What do you got going on down here? My eyeball's itchy. Candlestick. Hello. It's moving day.
You've arrived at last. The hero who prevented me from being bound returns to my fold. I have much to thank you for, little one. When you die, I will raise you, and you can take your place by my
sorry,
side.
excuse me?
You'll serve me soon enough.
Listen, you might not know who I am. I don't think we've been properly introduced. Don't think you quite understand what's going to happen here, lady. Huh. You see, I'm the Dragonborn. Ooh. Ooh. That moose did it. He does not like that moose. He does not like that moose. Oh, looky here. Huh. Okay. What was that Dorothy Hamill bullshit you just tried to pull? You're spun around like you're freaking Sound of Music. Listen to Maria. Was her name Maria? I don't know. Hey, Bethesda, I think you need to build false walls and have things break out of them. That would be wicked scary if that happened. Oh, cave-in. Do you guys really want to even use this shit? I mean... I don't know. I just don't think that this was worth all this. But there's shit here. How did this happen? I mean, where did all this come from? Oh, there's a lot of good stuff here. A lot of good stuff that I would sell. A warhammer. And a glass battle axe. Fetches me a pretty price.
Is someone there?
Ooh, there's vampires here too. What the heck? No. Lady. Eat a cheeseburger. Come on. Oh, what am I using here? I'm using iron arrows. That's not bad.
Huh?
Wow, that actually worked. I wasn't even aiming for you.
Ha! Found her.
Whoops! Oh! Whoosh! Oh, I'm getting hurt here. This is not good. I'm like intense. I don't want to get... Because here's the thing. I've been down that path before. I don't want to go back down that path again. The whole vampire bullshit is not fun. Ooh. Come here, sweetie. Come on.
Found you.
Whoosh! Shit! Oh, did you get me? Ice hazard. No, that's not a big thing.
You can't hide from me.
Yes, I can. And I will.
I knew I'd find you.
Bitch.
And you thought I was just a pretty face.
Nope, I never thought that 1 second. Oh man, you are so not a pretty face. But you look better now. There was another one. I don't know what happened to it. Could have sworn there was another one. Didn't get by me. I'm making a soup later and I'm gonna bar some stuff, okay? Oh, I found that to be humorous. Oh. Whoop. I thought you. I thought you were the real thing. You weren't. You fooled me. Oh, yeah. Nice. The hell are you? Going back to bed. Please, don't get up. Nice of me to wait until, like, I'm level 40 and entirely, you know, to do these things. Sorry, I screamed at the microphone, but it was so great. It was such a great move. I thought I shot it high. I thought it was like over his head. Dude, that was square and oh my god, look at that. You don't get better placement than that some days. I mean, come on. That was pretty damn good. That was excellent. I think it's to the point though, you think about this, the way this game works. Think about the fact that like at a certain point in the progression of your abilities, it's like it lessens the chance of you missing an arrow shot. It just makes it happen, you know. It's not even skill anymore. It's just the game has pushed you to the point where it's like you're gonna get that shot. You know you are. So, oh my goodness, what's going on here? Holy knikes. Okay. Temple of Doom in this bitch. Oh, alright. Oh. Hi, honey. Actually, don't know who that is. We better... Oh, she looks like a vampire. She looks like a vampire circa 1995.
Huh?
You bet I missed her.
I'm going to enjoy this.
Are you? Well, you've died once probably. You're probably gonna enjoy death again. Oh.
Where are you?
Mistwalker. Okay. What I got else going on here? No, I'm back to full strength. But did I mess up your day spa? Alright, hold on. Come on. Oh shit, there's two of them. Wow. Jesus. Oh, that was great. Johnny one shot. Search the urn. Grandpa, are you in there? I have a feeling that we're about to the end of the day. No, we're not. Not at all. I love that power swing. That's just awesome. Ooh. Lady Draga. What's Lady Draga? Boop. And they're not worth it. Oh, there's a sword or some sort of something that can be popped. Huh, there's a grindstone. Knock, knock. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at this. There is a... Whoops. This is probably like an early quest that I should have done a long time ago, but I didn't. Bitch! Think so. Wow, you're a little bit. Go inside the door. Oh shit, there's more.
Your blood calls me.
Oh, crap. No, you dumb shit. I can't see where she's at. Shit. Well, that gives me another Gives me another opportunity to not be exsanguinated, because I hate that. So where did it put us? Right on the inside of that door, I think. Yeah. Oh, what the heck was that? This should be good. What was that? Alright. Did you hear that? This should be good? I heard that. Taking out with the legs. My old favorite trick. My old favorite trick. Alright. Now I could have sworn I heard one of those guards say, this should be good. I don't think this is in the same area as the... Well, where is she?
Usually I do. Sometimes I still remember their faces.
Round and round she goes, fellas.
Let you fight, but the mortals are weak. He's a coward to fear them. We should feed when we like. Can't stand this hunger gnawing at me. There's something out there.
Yep. Hi. You didn't even get a chance this time, lady. Didn't even get a chance. Alrighty. Now. Whoop. I don't even know what any of that stuff... Oh, there's more behind that. Okay, well. Oh. I don't know what's happening here. Am I gonna get killed? Those things never go well. Yep. Shit. Shit.
Did you hear something?
Oh, yeah, it was you.
That's it? That's all you've got?
Bitch! Shut up! That's what I thought. Ooh, ebony shield. They fetch a pretty coin, they do. How's that? Is that open up somehow? I have. Oh, come on. The sanctum. The sanctum of Potema. That didn't sound good.
What was that?
It was nothing and everything. Hello.
Oh, but I will have your...
What?
Damn you!
I'm gonna have the rest of you.
Mercy!
Where the flip did you run to? Where'd she go?
No, not like this.
Where? Lady. Oh, hey, listen. Listen. That's not how that shit works. You'll get taken down. You get taken down. Oh. Uh-oh. Hello. Goodbye. Listen, why can't I shout? Where'd the other one go? Dip dip da dip Oh! Wow. That is a lot of dead Draugrs. That is a lot of dead Draugrs full of stuff I can sell later on. My goodness. That, seriously, there's something wrong with that. There is really something wrong with whoever the shithead that had to put this stuff in here was. My goodness. Here's your job. Hey, Clive, your job, put a bunch of dead Draugrs and with some stuff in their pockets in the base of a room. And you don't make any extra money on it.
Not much further. Come, little thing. Serve me in death.
Bitch. The only thing I'm going to be serving you is on a platter. Oh. Oh no. Oh my dear Lord, what the hell? Okay. Isn't that great?
Never should have come here.
Why? Wait, what? Wait, what? That didn't make any sense. That wasn't that bad of no. I don't know. I don't know. That was weird. That was strange. She running her hairdryer? What's going on in there? Very loud.
You've come far, mortal. But can you stand against my inner council? Let's see.
I don't know where he went. Lady, he took off. There he is.
Don't applaud yourself too soon, worm. Rip the eyes from his head.
Who, me or him? Because he can't hear you right now. He's not going to be able to come to work tomorrow. He's a little bit under the weather. Alright. Your council sucks. Why did you run away? Is that it? Seriously? That's it? Are you kidding me? She was hardly worth the trouble. This looks vaguely familiar. This, like, they used the exact same shit for the whatever those three, you know, the three guys that I had to fight, you know, that whole thing. Yeah, that was fun. Yeah. Uh-oh. Listen. Oh, whoa. What the hell happened there? Oh, yeah. So that wasn't it. Okay. As soon as I heard the skeleton, I'm like, yeah, that's not over yet. So maybe it's a little bit harder than I thought. I was being a little cocky. The hell? Shit! What am I getting myself into? Ow. Ow. Go away. Nobody wants you around. Just take pot shots at her from here if I can. We hide. Oh, she left him by the door. Alright, let's just do this, shall we? I think I'm going to outlast you. Just a thought. And that endeth the lesson. Bitch. Yes, of course. We know. We know. We know. Alright. My goodness. Oh, where the hell did that put us? Alright. I'm sorry, was I supposed to do your bidding? Because that's not how I saw this going down. And that's not what happened. Took a bit. She was tough. But in the end, I'm the last man standing. I'm sorry, last cat standing. Where's this gonna put us at? Oh, look at that. Barred door. Come back down here and get some shit that we didn't get the last time. Where the hell are we at? Oh, man. I don't have time for you. That's how we do that. Let's get the hell out of here. Something else happens. Where the hell am I at? Jesus, on top of the world, Ma. Holy hell. What? Oh, no. Okay, well. Let's just fast travel. I'm not going back. I'm not walking back through that mess. Alright, let's go take care of it. Oh, sorry, I was doing a little... I like the little bumpers that I put at the end. And I've been using the Dragon... the Jovikin theme and all that for a while now, and I needed to change it up a bit. So I got Octave, whatever the hell's name is, out there dancing in front of the bar. Because why not?
Can I help you?
Dude, you sent me on a quest, man.
You've returned.
Yes.
Excellent. These things do have a way of working out when people take action.
Thank you.
In case Falk doesn't make it clear, Solitude owes you a debt of gratitude.
Would be nice. But you could have paid me, you know. Could have paid me. Could have paid me for that. Just saying. Alright, let's go talk to... Oh, hi, Lucy. Go talk to Falk Firebeard. He's a Roger. What? Excuse me? No, that's not right. Let's go take care of this. And then we will call it a day. It's getting longer and longer to edit these things. My goodness. Hello. Excuse me.
Be quick.
May the
I have
gods
little
watch
patience
over
for
your
mundane
battles, friend.
concerns.
You've done a great thing today.
Bitch, get out of the way.
It doesn't matter who you support in the war. Potema would have been a blight on the land for both sides. Without you, this would have been a disaster. I should have paid more heed to Varnius's warnings. I won't make that...
Nice.
Take this payment.
Thank you.
Make no mistake. We consider
I have so
you
very many ways to deal with people.
protector of
Very
solitude.
few of them.
Thank you.
pleasant.
1,500, and we beat. That was a side quest. Trophy earned. Sideways. Awesome possum. All right, another trophy down. Thankfully, with something got out of that mess. Okay. Thanks, Falkbeard, Firebeard, whatever your name is, Treebeard. Who knows? Good night.
I know you